Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about rolling operation. This is rolling machine, specifically two high roll mill. So here you can see this is one roll and this is another roll, and these two rolls, they are rotating in opposite direction, and you need to pass a metal strip through this. There will be reduction in thickness, length will increase. Overall volume remains the same in rolling operation, and length increases at the cost of its thickness. And rolling has a two type of operation, hot rolling and cold rolling. In hot rolling, we go above the recrystallization temperature of the material which is to be rolled, but this is cold rolling. Here we are passing the material at room temperature itself. There will be reduction in cross section. Rolling is a popular forming process in which the material which is ductile and malleable, you can roll it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to pass this strip made up of aluminum. It is having 3 mm thickness, and there will be reduction in area. Tremendous compressive pressure is applied on this thickness, and thickness gets reduced, length is increased. So machine is started. You can adjust the distance between two rolls. We need to check the thickness every time. Slowly we have to decrease the distance between two rolls. So you can see here, length is being increased at the cost of this thickness. So earlier length was 24 centimeter, now it is 30 centimeter. Thickness was 3 mm, now it has reduced to 2 mm. So this is all about rolling operation. You need to pass this material through this rolling mills which are rotating in the opposite direction. Thickness is decreased and length is increased, and from this you can adjust the distance between two rollers. So if thickness is more, you can increase the gap between two rollers.